Good tip. Pause. Seminoles on the white. Big man. Okay, big man. Quarterback running. It's gonna be again the dump off. Not it's gonna be turnover on down.
Dip. I'm telling you right now, I'll fucking nail it.
Good flag. It's gonna be a touchdown, Seminoles. It's out of bounds. Ooh, good catch by the quarterback. It's gonna be a sack. It's gonna be a sack. Turnover on down. Turnover on down. Quarterback gonna run this. Quarterback gonna run. Good move. Bad throw. Good move. Bad throw. High screen.
1, 2, 3.
To the ACFL page, and it'll let you know there as well. Quarterback's running. Just gonna throw it up. Oh. It's gonna be a sack. Oh, good flag. And that's going to be incomplete. So you have to turn on one down. So this game is not over. Oh, and like I said, the game is not over. The game is not over. And it is, was that for 1 or 2? 7-6.
Go! Go, go! Go, go! Go play it, baby!
Oh, wow. Not quick. 12-7 Seminoles.
Phil, run, Phil. There you go.
This is
And that's it. Time and lapse, guys. Game over. Second. That's first down.
that's game.
Not the game. Mike, time's out. Yeah, good shit. I thought it was the first half. Time's out. Game's up. Over. 7-1, right?
12-7. 12-7 final. 12-7 final.
He's looking very like, hello, why is you guys moving?
You know who you're playing?
I'll be right back with the next round, fellas. I'll be right back with the next round. Again, if you guys can do me a favor, give me a like and a share. Much appreciated. Shows me appreciation for the things that I do for you guys and the content I bring you guys. Again, I'll be right back with the next round. Thank you.